ngayon pa naglilinaw yung mga millennials, they're feeling labubu. Tama pa, mga labubu. So ngayon, kailangan ko pala volunteer kaibigan ni Marty. Everybody, are you all friends of Marty? I need one friend ni Marty, yung katulad niyang babaero.
Marty!
Katulad niyang babaero.
Babaero daw, Marty!
Sino po? Yung talagang babaero, yung talagang matingin.
Alex.
Sino po?
Alex. Dito eh.
Ay, yung host natin. Palapakan natin yung host natin. Sagot, yes sir. Sir, naturo po kayo. Sir Rose, yes sir. Naturo po kayo. Okay, you can do it now sir. Kasi I need a volunteer. Yung kaibigan ni Marty na close na, nakatulad niyang babaero. So, babaero po ba kayo? O hindi po? Dinideny? Yun yung tatak na tunay na babaero. Dinideny. Tama, parang mo lang isa. Yes sir, halimbawa na, since nasubukan ng Mandigaw, mukhang marami kang niligawan. Have you tried giving flowers to girls? Yes. Can you please raise your right hand? And there, meron kang hawak na red rose. Pulang-pulang na. And you raise your left hand as well, with a yellow rose. Red rose, right rose. And I want you to choose one rose to please put it down on the table. Are you going to put the red rose down or the yellow rose? Yellow rose. So you're still holding the... There. You guys do remember, he's holding... Imagine nyo na lang, he's holding the red rose. Sir, tataan mo lang mo yung red rose. Tapos damay-damay na tayo. Sir, damay-damay na tayo. Pili ka rin ng isang kaibigan mo babayaro din.
Ako namin.
Yan. Isa po, isa. Sino po? Damay-damay na to.
Papa Pio. Attorney.
Sino attorney po? Attorney, patapakan mo lang si attorney. Sige, attorney, don't need to stand up. Ano bang pangalan ni attorney? Attorney Charlie, patapakan mo lang si attorney Charlie. Babayaro din, attorney. Babayaro din.
Yari.
Yari. Sir, how many girlfriends do you have? How many? Ilan na po?
Delikado yan. Delikado.
Delikado. Pero si more than 20?
Di naman.
Mga 30. 19. The attorney ganito, can you still remember the first girl that you dated? Yung unang-unang babae na dinate mo. Ay, nandito po. Nandito po yung unang dinate mo na. Nandito po. And attorney, can you still remember that day? Can you still remember that day? What she was wearing? That day, was it a fine day, a rainy day? Was it an afternoon or an evening? Did you have lunch? Did you have dinner?
Spaghetti rin.
Spaghetti. Jollibee po ba yan? Makdo?
Hindi. Yung ito.
Yung damit niya. I thought yung food eh. Where is spaghetti? Attorney, can you please tell me, do you still remember the exact day? Was it on a January? On a December? September? What day was that?
I really don't remember.
Any rough idea lang? Hindi para i-compare, baka mali yung sinabi mo dun sa... Nandito po ba yung girl niya? Nandito po yung babae niya?
Baka May.
May. Sometime in May. Sometime in May. And do you still remember the day? First week, second week, third week, fourth week of May.